Welcome to a lecture capture instructional video, where you can live stream, record your lecture, and upload it later to a platform of your choice. In this room, we have a high quality camera, microphone, and speakers. For the best experience, please use the PC in the room. If you have slides on your laptop, copy them to a USB thumb drive, then move them onto the PC in the room. When ready, open an application like Zoom and log in with your credentials. First, make sure you have your camera, microphone, and speakers set up correctly. Click on Settings and select the correct camera. Microphone and speakers. On each touch panel, we have 3 camera presets. Pick the one you prefer by pressing the PC computer icon on the touch panel and then selecting Camera Controls. To share another source like document camera or laptop, click the Logitech Screen Share application on the desktop on the PC in the room. Then select Screen Share in the application of your choice and select Logitech Screen Share. Make sure the correct source is selected on the touch panel. When set up, you're ready to record. Begin your session and remember to click record. When you are finished, click End Meeting and you will be emailed a copy of your recording if using an application like Zoom. If you have any questions, pick up the AV support line on 01 716 7300 and ask for a member of AV support to help you. Or you can book a teaching support request or demonstration via the website on ucdestates.ie/AV-support. Thank you.